This Rode PodMic podcasting bundle slaps hard. Why creators are ditching USB mics for this? Let's be real. You're tired of sounding like a potato on a Zoom call. You've got the ideas, the vibe, the hustle, but your gear? It's holding you back. You hit record, and the mic picks up every fan, keyboard click, and your neighbor's dog barking across the street. Your setup's cluttered, your sound is hollow, and editing feels like a daily war zone. It's exhausting. You just want a clean, professional sound without selling your soul or needing a degree in sound engineering. Every wasted hour battling poor quality is another listener lost. You deserve better. You deserve broadcast quality sound from the jump. And the pressure? It's unreal. You're staring down deadlines, episodes that need to drop, a co-host who's always too loud, and that creeping sense of burnout knocking at your door. You want your content to hit hard, but every technical hiccup makes you doubt yourself. The self-doubt creeps in. Am I even cut out for this? Meanwhile, you're watching other podcasters grow their shows effortlessly, while you're stuck wrestling cables and EQ curves. Opportunities knocking, but your mix glitching. Again. It's not just frustrating, it's sabotage. And that low-level stress? It adds up. Fast. Meet your new audio wingman. The Rode 2X PodMic Dynamic Podcasting Bundle. This all-in-one pro setup slays distractions and crushes chaos with broadcast-grade precision. Two rugged Rode PodMics, metal-bodied with internal pop filters, deliver crisp, rich vocals with minimal ambient noise. You also get studio-quality closed-back headphones for perfect mixing and no echo, plus dual broadcast arms with built-in XLR cables. Goodbye tangled mess. It's plug-and-play for two-person podcasts, interviews, or live streaming. Shockmounts reduce rumble. Tight cardioid polar patterns mean less reverb, even in untreated rooms. Built to last, engineered to impress, and trusted by thousands. This isn't just gear, it's your creative breakthrough. With this bundle, you get more than gear, you get confidence. Record faster. Sound clearer. Edit less. The included headphones isolate every breath and beat. The arms glide like butter and keep your desk spotless. Reviewers are obsessed. Mic is great, boom arm is sturdy, audio quality is awesome. Matthew B called it a solid setup, while Travis F said it's so good, he's ordering another. Real creators. Real results. Want to go from med to magnetic? Tap in and see what a real podcast-ready setup feels like. This is for the creators who want to show up and sound like pros from day one. Limited bundles left, don't sleep on this. Whether you're building your first studio or upgrading a shaky setup, this Rode PodMic bundle is the shortcut to sounding elite. Supplies are flying fast, especially during podcast season. Don't let another episode drop with meh audio. Seize this bundle, transform your voice, and own the mic like a boss. Join thousands of creators who've already made the switch and never looked back. Click now. Get yours. Then go out there and record something legendary.